In this episode, we are looking at a political drama that could change the future of Kenya's leadership. We are talking about the impeachment process of the Deputy President, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua. You might have heard of the word impeachment before, but what does it really mean? And how does it work? Grab a seat because we are breaking this down in a way that's super easy to understand. So let's get started. So what does impeachment really mean? Impeachment is the legal way of removing a political leader from office if they break the rules or mess up really bad. What are the kind of things that can get a deputy president fired from office? If they are physically or mentally unable to do their job, if they break the law, either here or internationally, or if they do something so wrong that it harms the country. How does this process start under Article 145 of the Constitution of Kenya? For impeachment to occur, one must have a really good reason. The first step, a member of parliament has to file a motion to impeach the deputy president. In Kenya, it all started with Honorable Ekomas Mwangi Mutusa, an MP from Kibwezi West constituency. Honorable Mwangi filed an impeachment motion against the Deputy President, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, and relied on 11 reasons. To have the impeachment heard, the law says that 1/3 of the MPs, to be exact 117 members of parliament, have to agree that the motion is so serious enough for debating. If they agree, then a vote happens, and the president is summoned to the parliament to defend themselves. Honorable Gachagua is summoned to the parliament to defend himself against the motion. Unfortunately, a whopping 281 MPs voted in favor of his impeachment. Only 44 said no, and one person did not vote. With the members of parliament having passed the motion in favor of impeachment of the deputy president, the Speaker of the National Assembly forwarded the resolution of impeachment to the Senate. This must be done within 2 days. Within 7 days after receipt of the resolution from the National Assembly, the Speaker of the Senate is required to convene a meeting of the Senate to hear the charges against the Deputy President, and the Senate by resolution may appoint a special committee comprising of 11 members to investigate into the matter. 6 senators are required to confirm the charges. The special committee then reports to the Senate within 10 days and tables its findings or the particulars of allegations against the Deputy President. If the Deputy President has a case to answer, the Deputy President is summoned before the Senate, just like he was before the National Assembly, to come and defend himself against the allegations. The senators may vote in his favor or not. To remove the Deputy President from power, at least 2/3 of the members of the Senate must uphold the Parliament's decision. To be specific, 45 senators must vote in favor of the impeachment motion. If that happens, the Deputy President loses his job immediately. Just like that. Now, what happens when the Deputy President is removed from office? According to Article 146 of the Constitution, the seat becomes vacant. The President then has 14 days to nominate a new Deputy President, and the National Assembly has to approve the same nomination within 60 days. While there's all this matter, impeaching the Deputy President is a huge deal. It's not about removing someone from office. It's about keeping leaders accountable. But what's tricky is that the process can also be political. Imagine this: what if people decide the Deputy President's fate based on their political stance? Or what if they have secret deals they've been offered? Think about it. Most of the politicians involved in these processes are usually looking out for themselves. The impeachment process in this time is a test for our democracy. It is supposed to remind the politicians that they serve the people. But if the people in power use it to settle scores or play political games, then we're in trouble. If you learned something today, hit that like button and share this with your friends and family. Let's keep the conversation going, and as always, stay tuned for more simple, fun, informative breakdowns of Kenya's biggest issues and matters pertaining to the law. See you on the next time, and thanks for watching.